2022 Street Glide ST with the bronze wheels on deck. So you have to assemble them all when they first come in, huh? 117 on this bad boy. I am ready. Just be the whole shebang in there.
It's a pretty fat cam.
This is the power pack, throttle body, air intake. The pipe should be here tomorrow. You ready for this build or what, man?
All right, man, let's do it.
What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys seen yesterday, we got our 2021 finally assembled, man. That thing is looking good in that purple and blue. We call that blurple around here. So we're going to call that blurple and gray. It is looking really nice, man. What did you guys think about it, man? I hope you guys let me know in the comments below in the last video. If you didn't, man, let me know right now. And if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special back here, Black Widow, or my, oh yes, right on schedule. That's what I'm talking about. And that was our 64 millimeter Screaming Eagle throttle body for our 124 kit back here. But if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special Black Widow or my 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide CVO, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now. I'm giving them both away at the same time, man. We got a few hats left, man, and a little bit more wallets than hats, but all in all, it should be about 50 or so left, man. So if you guys haven't entered the giveaway, head over there right now, man. You buy one item, you might be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. So the choice is yours. Head over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get your entry. Meanwhile, it looks like we got just about all our parts for the 124 kit here, minus our D&D 2-in-1 pipes, which we can take up there. So that should be here tomorrow. So by the time they finish, we should be able to take it up there and get everything situated. So can't wait. We're about to load this thing up, take it up to Harley just so we can get that thing started and get it going. Meanwhile, our other parts are still in the powder coat and all that. So it's going to be a couple more days for that. So I'm going to just get this show on the road, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this bike loaded up and get up out of here, dog. Just like that, got that thing loaded up, strapped up. Oh my God, it looks so good. This is like the perfect freaking sun right now. I ain't gonna hold you. That chrome is hitting. That chrome is hitting. Does look nice, man. Let's get up to Harley and get this thing dropped off before they close. Just got to Harley. About to get this thing offloaded. About to get this build cracking and started, man. I can't wait. It is game time. You hear me? Guys, we have got our 2021 here up at Harley, looking all good. Seeing in like different light, it kind of looks like a black and gray, like we repping the Raiders or something. But guys, see that inner fairing does look really good and jolly ollie. I am digging it. Like I said, we couldn't put our bags on there yet because we waiting to pick up our stuff at powder coat, but that shouldn't be a issue. This chrome is definitely hitting, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. I can't wait to switch this thing up. I am ready. This is the power pack, throttle body, air intake. The pipe should be here tomorrow, but everything else is in there. Of course, I'm waiting on some like accessories and stuff. They're still in the powder coat. I told you what I was gonna do. I didn't tell my YouTube what I was gonna do. You ready for this build or what, man?
All right, man, let's do it.
I can't wait. I can't wait, dog. So my guy here is about to crack open the packages. About to do this first unboxing hearsay. Wait, what do we got there? Oh, that's the air breather. Fuel Moto air breather. Guys, see that there? Next box. It's gonna be our throttle body. So 64 millimeter. Then I don't know what's in there, so that's gonna be a surprise to both of us.
Says Fuel Moto, so.
Fuel Moto, box 1 of 2. see what we got here.
Like probably some cylinder heads, I'm guessing. Oh no. This is cylinder head, yeah.
Cylinder heads.
Each head.
Cool.
And last but not least,
This is the big boy right here with all the gets and the gadgets. Yeah, there we go. Now I see some Fuel Moto logos.
there we go. That's what I was looking for there.
Yeah, that's for the clutch, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Woods cam.
Yeah, Night Prowler.
Ooh, is that the power right there? Power pack.
Some bearings, looks like. Cam.
Ooh, that's the cam. Let's see it. I hope it has like a beefy sound, man.
It should. Yeah, it's a pretty fat cam.
Yeah. That thing looks nice.
WM8408.
Can't wait to see what that thing does, man.
Some springs. Oh, that's a clutch. Port the clutch. Gasket kits, push rods. Let's see what else we got.
Yes, sir. This looks cool, man.
Oh, some lifters.
Should be the whole shebang in there.
Oh, the pistons.
Mm-hmm.
Pistons and rods.
Yeah, Carrillo.
Injectors, it says. Cool, man.
Can't wait, bro.
There's the cylinders.
Can't freaking wait. They say I should be at about 145-ish to the wheel. So let's hope for the best, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's see Hero crack out a few more horsepower, huh? That'll be sick. That will be sick. But yeah, man, y'all see it here first. Mama over here knocked out. You sleepy? You sleepy? Yes, sir, man. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. So we just dropped off our bike, man. Our 124 is in progress. Now we got to bring back some floorboards so they'll be able to tune it and take it for a test ride. Other than that, it's pretty much good to go. Now they do have the new Harley Davidson 2022 STs in. I don't know if it's a Street Glide or a Road Glide, but we're gonna check it out, man. So let's see what it's looking like. Oh,
It's all plastic.
yeah, that is.
And so much torque when the VP engages, it just pulls
It's
it
gonna
apart.
rip it apart, huh?
And they need a one-piece
The
cable.
only thing that holds this thing in is this little tiny plastic clip.
Well, see, I'm getting bars and stuff too. So should I just do that when I do that?
Go
Yeah,
with a straight cable.
Yeah,
nut.
because you're gonna have to break it in anyway.
Yeah,
You know
for
what I mean?
sure.
So just don't dig into it.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, when you do get bars,
Yeah.
whatever cables you get a one piece.
Okay, for sure. How long is this build gonna take, man? Like weeks, or like
itself?
just to get it done and back to me?
About 3 hours.
Man, I wish it was that easy, dog. I wish.
I'm gonna say it's gonna be about 3 days.
3 days. So
3
it's
days.
Tuesday now. We're looking at about Saturday.
The problem is I got dynos I have to do. Also.
Oh, yeah, no, for sure.
Let's say if we started on Monday,
Right.
you're looking at probably Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday morning.
Alrighty, man. We are in the back of Harley right now, getting the exclusive first look at the 2022's Harley Davidson ST. Now, which one is it?
So we've got a Street Glide SP,
Nice.
and then we've got a Lowrider S.
Lowrider S. Okay, bet. No Road Glides yet.
No Road Glides yet.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, you?
I remember you worked on my bike last time.
Yeah, I work on a bunch of your bikes now.
Yeah, right. Okay,
Yeah,
bet. See, I would
okay.
even. We got to get in this background, man.
There's a
So this is the new
117
joint.
Crash bar.
Ooh. Okay, bet. So you have to assemble them all when they first come in, huh?
Yeah.
Dang, that's pretty sick. 117 on this bad boy. Looks just like the commercial. Looks really sick. I'm loving these bronze wheels.
You see here?
Oh yeah, huh? It does look a lot different. They moved the gauge and everything.
Yeah, it's gonna rip.
Yeah, it looks sick. I can't wait to see this thing out on the road.
Oh yeah.
And this is the Street Glide. Hero, what's up, man? The man with the plan, the man of the hour, guy. If you guys don't know, This guy has one of the fastest Harleys out there, man. He's putting together this 2022 Street Glide ST with the bronze wheels on deck. I love those like under the rocker box like covers or whatever. Looks really cool. Hope I'm not interrupting you, man. He like you are, but man, make it quick. Nah, nice 117 on this joint. So basically we got a CVO for half the price of a CVO. Oh, and look at the shield. I mean the windshield, that looks sick.
That was an add-on we did.
Man, I need that and then the freaking, oh, that was an add-on. Oh, okay, nice.
It's pretty much made for
Yeah, I like that front fender on it. It looks kind of way better than the stock OEM ones over there.
And they offer that in a whole bunch of colors now too.
Are these the bags that come with it stock?
Yep.
Yeah, so it's got the reflectors on the back now, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Non-stretch bags.
That's cool, that's cool.
We're kind of getting into that whole scene. They're kind of
Appreciate you, man.
watching what people are doing and
Right.
taking note.
Yeah, no, that's sick, man. That's sick. Can't wait to get this bike going, get it fast, and get back on the gas, man. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. You guys seen, we got our 2021 all assembled and everything ready to go. Our parts for our 124 kit finally came in. We got pretty much everything but the exhaust. Now, I thought it was gonna be a little bit quicker on the put together time, so that just leaves me with a little bit more time to do the exhaust the way I kind of want it. Doing something a little bit different here, so I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet, but if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. What did you guys think about the new 2022 ST model Harley Davidsons? We checked out at Harley earlier, man. Those things are a freaking beast. That 117 engine is freaking beast. Can't wait to find one of those at the auction or so, man. That thing is gonna be a blast, but our 2021 is gonna be faster than that joint. So I can't wait till next week to get that thing back. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special Black Widow or my 2015 Street Glide CVO, all you gotta do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy you anything on the site, a wallet or a hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We're giving them both away at the same time. You buy one item, you might be lucky enough to win either one. You buy two items, you may be lucky enough to win them both, man. The choice is yours. Head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get your entry. It's time to get this show on the road. We have literally about 30 hats or so left. Today's I'm shooting like 2 videos in a day. So by the time this video gets out, it should be even less than that, man, if not sold out. So if you guys haven't already, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get your entry. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.